Hi, I'm Ann Goyer. We're here at PCI's Powder Coating Week. It's the premier event every year where the industry comes to learn and network. I'd like to take you on a little tour of what's going on here. Come on. We're going to go in and take a look at the powder coating workshop, but we got to be quiet.
In terms of people wanting to come to Powder Coating Week, there's so many opportunities for education and learning beyond just the tabletop exhibits. There's an opportunity for people to experience the PCI Powder Coating Done Right, what we call the 101 class. That's a great learning experience, well attended every year.
Now we're going to take a look at the custom coater form. It's right in here. Now that the educational sessions are over for today, let's go into the exhibit.
We have the opportunity to attend the exhibit, show our wares, and we also can attend the Powder 101, the Custom Coater Forum, or the technical conference, all of which we're educating the market, we're networking with people, and we're gaining value and understanding how to advance and educate people in powder coatings.
Well, I think the ability to network with some of the best people in the industry gives us an opportunity to leverage our strengths and then collectively work together to help customers in the field.
Seeing everyone in one building, in one room, I think is a huge benefit for the end users. So they don't have to make multiple meetings or multiple trips. Everyone's here at one time in one place.
Hi, welcome to day 2 of Powder Coating Week. We're here this morning where we're going to kick off the technical conference with our first industry powder coating panel.
Of course, coming to the technical conference over the last several years that we've been hosting these, we find it to be a valuable resource for people to be education on powder coating. It's a great opportunity for us as a company to meet those that are looking to invest in equipment, as well as to help educate those that are just looking to learn more, and certainly to network among a lot of our industry peers and colleagues within the industry. So we just find it a great value to us each year, year after year, and really look forward to coming back every year.
Our afternoon today at Powder Coating Week starts off with our economist, Chris Keel. Everybody loves Chris. Let's go check it out.
Months we don't have jobs, and sure enough, we had jobs anyway.
Hi, good morning. We're here for the final day of Powder Coating Week. We start off today with 4 more educational sessions of great information. Let's go take a look.
Now, don't get me wrong, it's very important.
Now we're up to the final session of Powder Coating Week, our roundtable discussions. These are a very popular session with attendees and a great way to close out Powder Coating Week.
No, I just encourage anyone who hasn't been to one of these events to get out here, because the knowledge that you receive from coming here is just so beneficial to your industry. And if this is what you do for a living, then you may as well be the best that you can out of it.
If you want to be better at what you do, this is the place to do it.
See you at Powder Coating Week 2025.